Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to customize your Android phone and take it from something really basic looking like this to something super cute and super just like yours, your own, like this. I love to customize my phone and I have been trying to make it look super cute and I just couldn't figure out how to do it. And I watched a lot of YouTube videos and I just found that they were very either technical or they just didn't explain things properly. So I thought, okay, let me do this one for people like myself who just need something really simple, really straightforward and easy to follow to be able to make their phones cute, right? So the three apps that you're going to need are these three here, and they're completely free. So number one is Widgetsmith, and it comes up as widget 14. The next one is X Icon Changer. And then the final one you're going to need is Simple Photo Widget. Okay, so they're the three apps that you are going to need, as well as Pinterest or anything else to get images from. But these are the crucial three. Okay, so I am going to start on the second homepage. So I've got a Google Pixel. So if you have a Google Pixel or any other stock Android phone, you will find that the date and the temperature, at least on a Google Pixel anyway, and also the Google search bar at the bottom, they're permanent fixtures on that first homepage. I don't know why, but there is a way to actually get rid of it. So I will touch on that briefly at the end. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do, so I'm going to start on here. So as you can see, the Google search bar is a permanent fixture on all of the home screens, but at least you don't have the time and the weather, so you've got a bit more space up there. Right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Pinterest and you're going to just download the wallpaper that you want. So I just search for aesthetic phone wallpaper, and there are tons of beautiful wallpapers, so you just need to go through and find one that you like. You can be more specific and say, you know, pink or grey or brown or whatever it is you want. So this is the one that I actually use. I obviously defaulted my phone back to how it was before I changed it so that I can go through this process with you. Okay, so what you're going to do is when you find one that you like, you're just going to click on the three dots at the bottom right hand corner over here, and then you're just going to click on download image. I'm not going to download it again because I already have it, but that's all you would do. You click download image there, and then that will then download to your phone's photo gallery. Okay, you will then go to your photo gallery and then you will open it, swipe up or however it is on your phone, and you're going to just use it as a wallpaper, and it's just going to be your home screen wallpaper. Okay, so that's that done there. And by the way, you can use Canva to create your own wallpaper. They do also have tons of really good templates there as well that you can download, so you don't just have to use Pinterest. But I love Pinterest because I find that they have such beautiful kind of templates available already. Okay, so then the next thing that you're going to do is you are going to start importing your widgets onto your home screen. So when you download these three, then they do end up being added to your widgets. So if you hold on to your home screen on a blank space, then click on widgets, you will see that all the new widgets are here. So this is simple photo widget here that you can see, and then further down is the Widgetsmith, and then right at the bottom here is the X Icon Changer. So they'll all be in there for you. If they're not, you might just need to go into the settings and enable it, but yeah, they'll all be here for you. Right, so we're going to go back to the home page that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to bring in the first widget. So it's going to be a Widgetsmith widget. So you just hold on to a blank space on the home page, click on widget, and then you just need to go down and find that widget, and it's a bit further down here it is. So you can see that there's a large widget, there's a medium widget, and there's a small widget. So they each correspond to the type of widget that you can have. So as an example, let me show you this. So you just hold on to it and then drop it onto the home page where you want. So you can see that these are the two widgets that you can have as a large widget. Okay, so let's say that I'm going to choose this one, and this is the calendar widget. So then this shows up like this. So if you want, you can actually change how it looks. You can change the font, you can change the text color, you can change the background color. So it's entirely up to you and just depends on kind of the aesthetic that you're going for. So mine is very much kind of, you know, browns, shades of browns, okay? And you can even choose like to have border colors, right? So let's, for example, just to show you, change the background color like that. So you'll see that it changes on the home screen. So I don't want this widget because it takes up too much of the screen, so I'm just going to get rid of that. That was just to show you as an example. So I'm going to go back into widgets and then go back to the widget smith here, and then the one that I'm going to choose is small. So again, there's a medium one which gives you different options of what you can have in there. So I'm going to choose small widget here, and I want a calendar one that kind of gives me what's coming up in my diary. So I'm going to click on here, and it's already brown because, like I say, I currently use this. So to change the sizing of it, you just need to hold on to it, let go, and then you can change how it looks. So I think I'll keep it like this. Okay, so I'm going to have that there. Now I want to bring an image to this screen as well, one that will fit in with this screen, and I'm just going to get rid of this, by the way. I only had it here because you have to have something on the screen in order to create a new homepage, so that's gone. Okay, so yeah, I want to bring in an image here as well, so I'm just going to long press and then click on widgets, and then you're going to go to the photo widget, the simple photo widget, which is here. Hold on to it and then just drag it on wherever you want it on the page. And then you just need to click on this bit here, photos, and then onto photo source, and then you just need to choose the image that you want. So I think it's saved in downloads. Oh no, go back in pins, there we go. And then I'm just going to choose one that oh, it's not here. Anyway, so I'll just choose one that I do have on here. So I'll select this one, and then you just click select, create, and then you have the image there. So you have the option to resize the image simply by holding onto it, you let go, and then you can resize the image as you would like to. So I think I'll leave it this size for now. I think that looks good. Okay, then you can bring in any other widgets that you want. So I definitely want to have a time widget here. So the time's obviously at the top of the screen, but this one's just a bit bigger and just looks good on the page. So go back to your widgets, and I'm just going to choose one that comes with the phone. So you can choose the analog clock, this one here, which I'm not too big a fan of. I prefer to have the numbers. So I'll choose the other one. So I'll just find that again. So here it is. So you just hold on to it and then drop it where you want to on your screen. And you can obviously get rid of, you can have the different times for different parts of the world. I don't need that showing on my screen. So you just hold on to it again, resize, and then that just gets rid of that. So I'll just leave it there for now. And then what I want to do is I want to bring the Google search bar. So obviously there is one down there at the bottom, but I want one that's going to fit in with the aesthetic of this homepage that I'm creating. So I'm just going to hold on to it, hold on to the screen, click widgets again, and then find the Google search bar widget, which is right there. So you hold on to it and drop it wherever you want. So you could put it here if you wanted, or I think I'll put it down here. Okay, and you can see, again, because I've already done this, so it's already set in the color, but I'm going to show you how to change the color if you want to. So you just need to click on the G and then click on more at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you're going to click on customize widget right here, and then you can change it to say Google in full. I like just the G. You can change the shape of the box to be kind of with squared corners, rounded corners, or oval. So I like the oval. You can change the color by clicking on there. So you can literally do whatever you want there. You can change the colors down here. So again, I'm just going to go back to what I had, which was kind of this kind of color, and then close that, and then you can also change the opacity, so you can make it bold or you can make it more see-through. I like the see-through look. So then you just click done at the top when you're finished with that, and then your search bar will have updated to what you have changed it to. Okay, so now you want to bring in your apps, okay, but you don't want to just use these apps that are on the screen, because that just doesn't fit in with the aesthetic of the what do you call it, of the homepage. So I'm just going to get rid of these because that's not working on this page. Okay, and then now I'm going to show you how to, oh, by the way, this here, this image, I don't know if I mentioned, but it's just from Pinterest. It's just a wallpaper that I'd downloaded from Pinterest. So yeah, that's where you can get something like that if you're wondering. Okay, so back to the app icons then. So to get those, you're going to need to go back to Pinterest, and then you just need to search, I think I searched aesthetic phone icons. And then I just literally scrolled through until I found one that I liked the look of. Let's go for this one. It could be here actually. Yeah. So yeah, you just go through and then you find ones that you like the look of, and then you simply hit the icon and then click the 3 dots and download image. So let me show you that again. So say you like this TikTok one, click the 3 dots, download image, okay? And then once you download them, then they'll be in your camera roll ready for you to upload. So let me show you then how to add the widgets. So you once again need to just long press on an empty space on your home screen, click the widgets button, and then you're going to go right down to the bottom to X icon changer, hold onto that and drag it where you would like to create your app icon. And then this app can be a bit annoying because it does have adverts and all that stuff, but you know, you're only going to need to do this once, and then once you've done it, then you don't need to use the app again, so it's worth it, I think. Okay, so you then need to search for the app that you want to change the icon for. So I have obviously already done mine, so I don't need to go through and, you know, change all of them, but I'm just going to show you as an example how to do it. So for example, Instagram, then I'll put Instagram. So this is the view that you will get the first time round. So then you're just going to have to click on gallery, then you go to where it is saved in your camera roll. Okay, so you just go and you would click on it on the image. I'm not going to click on it because I've already got it here in the library. So I'm just going to click on Instagram here and then click on OK. And this is where you're going to most likely get an advert. Yep, close that. And then it will say put the new icon to desktop at the bottom, and then you just click on that button there. And then there you have it, it's on the desktop. So then you need to go through and just do that for all the apps that you would like to have on your home screen. So once again, go to your widgets, select the X icon changer, and then you're just going to, let's do Facebook, and then select the icon you want. Okay. Yep, put the new icon to desktop at the bottom, and then you just continue doing that. So I have quite a lot of apps that I like, and I like to organize them into folders. So what I would do is I would actually just organize them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that quickly, and then come back to you once I've populated all the icons on the screen. I'm just going to go ahead and snap my fingers, and all the icons will have been added just like this. Okay, so this looks so pretty. I am so happy with this. So when I went to Pinterest to download the app icons, there were obviously some that I couldn't find for apps that I had. So there is a really, really quick, simple way to create your own. This isn't the best way, but it's a good one for kind of a quick fix. So I'm going to show you it. But if you do want me to show you how to create your own in a better way, then do let me know down in the comment section below. So you're just going to go to the internet, and then you want to download a white icon for whatever it is you're looking for. So if you're looking for, I don't know, a video editing tool one, so go to the internet and just search white icon video, just type that. Oh, and you want it to be transparent as well. Okay, there we go. So that's there. So just go into images, and then just go through until you find one that you want to use. Let me type in video camera white icon transparent. Okay, so then you just need to go through and find one that is actually transparent, because sometimes they're not. Let's try this one. Nope. There we go. This one's transparent. So you just need to hold on to it, long hold the screen on the image, and then you click download image. Okay, I'm not going to download it just because I've already got one that I've downloaded that I can use. So then you're going to go to Instagram, and then go to stories, and then you're just going to go to one of the ones that you have downloaded from Pinterest. So you're just going to go to one of the app icons that you've downloaded from Pinterest already. So I'll go to this Fitbit one, and then use the color picker to select this color, and then you're just going to color over what's already there to make room for your new app icon. And then you need to add the image in. So the way I do that is that I switch to my Microsoft Swift keyboard. This is the only reason I have this here, is for when I want to add images or multiple images to my Instagram stories. It's really handy for that. I think I've got a tutorial for that, so I'll link it if I do. So you switch to that, and then I click on this icon here, and then the paper clip at the bottom here, and then select the camera button to add an image. So then you will go and you will add the icon that you have just downloaded. So I'm just going to see if I can find, actually it's going to be hard, I can't remember which one it is. I think it was this one. Yeah, that's the one. So you're going to add the image in. Oops. And then just resize it. Okay, just resize it like so, and then put it in the center, make sure it's right in the center, and then you can download it and then resize it. I just screenshot and resize straight away. So edit, and then just make it into more of a square shape. So the reason I say this way isn't perfect is because obviously each time you do this, you're not getting it exactly the same size, which is why Canva is the better way of doing it. But like I say, this is just a super fast, quick way of just kind of adding the icons. So then you're just going to say done, save, and then you would then, let me just move this to here just to show you. So you would then go to widgets, and then the X icon changer, hold that down, bring it to where you want it, and then you would add it the same way you did the ones that you add from your downloads. Okay, so you would say video. Okay, so this is what I've got here, video shop, and then you would just go to gallery and then select that one, and you can change the shape as well, by the way. I forgot to say that to you. You can change the shape that you use, so I'll just go for this one. Oh, I've just figured that out. And then click. Oh guys, I've just figured something out when I was when I was here filming. So did you see what I just did? So I added it, and then okay, so look, this is basically how you make sure that the sizing is the same. So you just need to stretch this out right the way to the edge, and then make sure that you're kind of centered here. Wow, just learned something. Okay, so then you click on done, okay, and then you're going to get an advert, close it, and then it'll say put the new icon to desktop, and you click on that, and then it'll put it on the desktop. So there you go. That is how you create your own icon, the very, very quick and easy way. So I'm going to get rid of this because I've actually already got this, and I'm going to bring this one back. Okay, so that is exactly how I would create my homepage, how I have created my homepage. So just to show you, I have other apps in here, but I don't change them all. I just change the ones that are visible, just because it would take forever to do them all. But yeah, so it looks really good. So what I was saying to you then about getting rid of the date and the weather, and also the Google search bar at the bottom. So you need to download an app called Nova Launcher. So when you download it, then you will click on it. So this is only doing this because I already have it installed on my phone. When you first download it and click on it, this is what's going to happen. It's going to open this screen here. And then you just need to scroll down, click on Select Default Launcher, and then you're going to click on Nova Launcher, and look what happens. This time it's on the first screen of the homepage, but there's no date or weather, and there's no white Google bar at the bottom, so it's just my custom one that I've put in. But yeah, this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to switch back to the Pixel launcher. So you just select default launcher. So it's really easy to switch back as well, and everything will be there for you. And yeah, so this is how you create a really cute looking aesthetic for your phone, for your Android phone. I hope you found this video useful. I hope I went through it thoroughly enough and in enough detail for you to kind of follow along. And yeah, if you want any more videos like this, do let me know, and I'd be more than happy to do them. I definitely love helping you guys out, especially when I figure things out. I like to share them with you. Give this video a massive thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and share it with other Android users, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!